keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download. Hi guys, so today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get free money on the PayPal app. So let me open it up and show you guys what we're working with. So as you can see guys, that's my PayPal balance. Really pathetic. But guys, when we go into the payments, you guys will see the settings down here. And let me just show you guys. When we come over here, you can see it says rewards credit module. Reward credits are credited to your balance, no claim codes required. Credits are applied in the order referrals, so it's like a referral system. So it basically like you signed people up for PayPal and you get money, but you didn't actually have to sign them up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this, so let's wait for it to load for iOS and Android. So as you can see, it's adding the credits. So I'm just going to give it a second. So let's see if this goes through. Then we should get free money on PayPal, guys. So let's see what happens, if we get rich or not. So it's adding the money right now. All right. So let's see if it works. So yeah. All right. It says adding referral rewards. I got Peyton. I got $5. All right. $200 was added. So that's so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You can see right there, it says rewards referral payment. So first things first, go to Matrix Mods and do PayPal, download, and then verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So like Travel Town, DraftKings, Underdog. This one just says down and run for 30 seconds. So that's pretty easy. And then we've got like just tons of apps. Moto Casino, you know, this one you gotta search something up. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're gonna be good to go. So yeah, try it out, guys. As long as you did 2 of them, you should be all set. If you're lost, you can press help and there's a video. So that's how to get free money on PayPal. Really cool, guys. So it's actually working. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys needed this, because it is legit and it fully works. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had no jailbreaking needed or anything like that, so it's pretty wild. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. Just make sure you do this little verification step and you guys will be all good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, press help if you're lost, watch the video. But yeah, it's really easy and it's legit, guys. So yeah, I mean, I've tried everything, bro.